If your GMC Sierra's AC knob feels dead or won't change the temperature, we are going to fix it right now. Statistically, 85% of these climate control issues are caused by a failed blend door actuator or a glitchy module. Let's start the diagnosis by checking the simplest components first to save you time and money. Often, a simple power cycle of the HVAC module can recalibrate the knobs and restore full functionality. If you hear a clicking sound behind the dash, your blend or actuator gear is likely stripped and needs replacement. If the knob feels physically fine but the lights are out, the entire climate control head unit may have failed. Most owners can handle the actuator or fuses, but module programming usually requires a trip to the dealership. Parts are relatively affordable, with labor being the biggest variable if you choose not to do it yourself. Replacing the actuator is a 20-minute job that only requires a 7mm socket and some patience. Make sure you have these basic tools ready before you start pulling the dash panels apart. Remember that a weak battery can cause digital modules to act erratically, so check your voltage first. With these steps, your Sierra's AC should be blowing cold again. Subscribe for more DIY truck repairs.